In the winter of 1989, a group of geologists and engineers were sent to investigate a newly formed sinkhole in the deep forests of Siberia. Their equipment read numerous strange anomalies, and the team was ordered to drill further downwards into the abyss when the drill suddenly opened a gateway.
What we have opened here is the door of Satan.
They mentioned a horrid little being that came flying out. Then they mentioned the drill bit turning wildly, and they mentioned a high temperature. In other words, they were hearing sounds.
They ventured further down into the sulfurous abyss, recording their findings. And that was the last that was ever heard from this group of brave men. Until the recordings were found a quarter of a century later, telling the following gruesome tale.
I'm just going to read the email that I got last night, along with what I received. This horrendous sound. Now, I've got a clean copy of it now, and I warn you, this could scare you. The story about the digging of the hole and the hearing of the sounds from hell is very real. It did occur in Siberia. It has always haunted me. To those who discounted the Siberia sounds from hell story, it is true, and I, for one, wish it wasn't. And so I submit now the cleaned, a better copy to you, and I warn you, what you are about to hear is very disturbing indeed.